A few years ago, I was walking through Monterrey in the middle of the summer. The heat was so intense that I thought, this is no longer normal. And at that moment, I asked myself, what kind of world are we building for the future? I know I'm not a climate scientist, but I am a young person living through the consequences every single day. Heat waves breaking records, rainstorms turning into floods, and friends struggling with allergies and respiratory problems because of pollution. That is my reality, and probably yours too. Imagine for a moment a child trying to sleep in a room without a fan, with the temperature outside being 100 plus degrees, or a family losing their home because a storm destroyed everything in just a few hours. This is already happening, here and now. Climate change is not a distant problem, it is a story that touches all of us. But then, I asked myself, what was I doing while all this was happening? Was I just watching the news? Was I giving up? Or could I actually do something? That question kept me following. And then I realized that small actions, like using less plastic, biking instead of driving, raising my voice in my community, could become seeds of change. The data is clear. If we stay on this path, global temperatures could rise up by 2 degrees Celsius in the coming decades. That means more droughts, more wildfires, more lives lost. But there's also evidence of hope. Renewable energy is already cheaper than fossil fuels in many countries, and millions of people are adopting more sustainable lifestyles. Science tells us that we still have time. What I've learned is that we don't need to be lone heroes to face this challenge. We need to be a community of everyday heroes with small actions that together can change the story. So next time you feel the heat is unbearable, remember, we can write another ending. And if you ask me what story I want to tell in 20 years, I'll say, it was hard, but we chose to save our planets, and we did. Thank you.